In this video, I'll detail how to fix hidden personal hotspot on iPhone and how you can easily enable your iPhone personal hotspot. So if we're trying to get personal hotspot on your iPhone and you want other devices to be able to connect to your iPhone personal hotspot, but all it shows is hidden personal hotspot, then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on mobile service or cellular service. This depends on your location. Click on that. Now once you click on that, scroll down, locate mobile data under mobile service, then go ahead and click on mobile data network. Then come to personal hotspot here. Under personal hotspot, just set your APN as iPhone, username as iPhone, then set your iPhone personal hotspot. So just gonna go ahead, set my iPhone personal hotspot, password like this. Once set password, just hit the back button like this. Then while on the settings page, you should see your personal hotspot still turned off. Click on that. Then once you select that, tap allow others to join. And there you go. So once you turn this on, you may scroll down again and turn on maximize capability. And once that is done, so whenever your iPhone is not on the personal hotspot page like this, you will be able to connect to it and hidden personal hotspot would be disabled. So I'm just going to show you how this works. Then go to your other device settings, then turn on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, then under available networks, go ahead and click on it. Then instead of using hidden hotspot here, then you can see the name of my iPhone personal hotspot. Then go ahead and type in the password. Then hit connect. Then if the password is correct, then you will be able to connect to the hidden iPhone personal hotspot. Connect. Is that so? That is basically how you can easily fix hidden iPhone personal hotspot and how to connect to the hotspot on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.